Make a great choice today with the 2024 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.